Hi, Kelvin. Christmas is coming soon.
Yes, Sarah, I love Christmas. The lights and decorations are beautiful.
Kelvin, can I ask you something?
Sure, Sarah, what is it?
Where is my Christmas gift?
Your Christmas gift?
Yes, every year you give me a Christmas gift. I am waiting for it this year too.
Sarah, I want to give you a gift, but I have a small problem.
Oh, really? What problem?
I don't have much money right now. Work has been slow, and I need to save money.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm sorry, Kelvin.
It's okay. I just feel a little sad because I wanted to buy you something nice.
Don't worry. Christmas is not only about expensive gifts.
Really? You are not upset?
No, not at all. Your friendship is more important than a gift.
Thank you for understanding, Sarah. That means a lot to me.
But maybe you can still give me a small Christmas gift.
A small gift? What do you want?
Maybe we can drink hot chocolate and walk around to see the Christmas lights.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
See? That can be my Christmas gift.
Then it's a deal. Merry Christmas, Sarah.
Merry Christmas, Kelvin.
Look, James, I have some colorful paper and some bright markers.
What are you doing, Elena? Are you drawing a picture?
No, I am writing my letter to Santa Claus. Do you want to write one too?
Yes, please. That sounds like fun. I have many Christmas wishes this year.
Great. First, we should start with a nice greeting. I am writing, Dear Santa.
Good idea. I will write the same. Now, should I tell him that I was a good boy this year?
Yes, you should. I am writing, I was very helpful at home and I worked hard at school.
Okay. Now for the most important part, the gifts. What are you asking for, Elena?
I am asking for a new storybook and a set of watercolor paints. How about you?
I really want a fast toy car and a warm pair of blue gloves.
Those are wonderful wishes. Don't forget to say thank you at the end of your letter.
You're right. I will write, Thank you for the present, Santa. Merry Christmas.
Perfect. Now we just need to put them in envelopes and leave them by the fireplace.
I hope he reads them soon. I am so excited for Christmas morning.
Me too, James. Let's go find the stamps.
Look at all these lights, John. The mall is so beautiful during Christmas.
It really is, but it is very busy. We have a long list of gifts to buy today.
Don't worry, we can do it. First, we need a present for your brother. Does he like sports?
He likes football, but he needs new headphones for work. Let's look in the electronics store.
Good idea. Oh, wait, look at this shop. It has lovely scarves and hats.
Those look very warm. Maybe a blue scarf for your grandmother?
Yes, she loves the color blue. Let's go inside.
They enter the shop and talk to the clerk. Excuse me, how much is this blue wool scarf?
That one is $20. It is on sale today.
That is a great price. We will take it, please. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, we have a gift wrapping station near the exit. It is free for Christmas shoppers.
Perfect. Thank you. Now let's find those headphones for my brother.
The electronics store is on the second floor, next to the food court.
Great. After that, I really want to buy a small Christmas tree for my desk.
I saw some cute mini trees in the garden shop. We can go there last.
Thanks for helping me, Sarah. Shopping is much faster with a friend.
You're welcome. Let's finish our list so we can have some holiday cookies.
I agree. Let's go.
Everything is ready, John. The Christmas tree is in the living room. It smells so fresh and green.
It is a beautiful tree, Sarah. It is very tall. Where are the boxes of holiday decorations?
They are right here. I have the lights, the colorful ornaments, and the golden star for the top.
Great. Let's start with the lights. It is always easier to put them on the branches first.
Good thinking. Can you hold this end? We need to wrap them around the tree carefully.
I will go around the back. Tell me if the lights look even from your side.
They look perfect. Now the tree is glowing. It looks so magical in the dark room.
Now for the fun part. Let's hang the ornaments. Look at this one. It is a little red sleigh.
That is so cute. I will put the red and silver balls on the bottom branches.
And I will put the glass reindeer higher up. They look very shiny and bright.
Look at this handmade ornament. It has so many special memories from last year.
I remember that. It belongs in the middle where everyone can see it clearly.
We are almost finished. The tree looks very full and colorful now.
There is only one thing left, the star. Would you like to do the honors?
Let's do it together. If you lift me up, I can reach the very top.
1, 2, 3, there. The star is finally on.
It looks amazing. Merry Christmas, John.
Merry Christmas, Sarah.
Everything looks delicious, James. The table is set perfectly for our Christmas dinner.
Thank you, Elena. The turkey smells amazing. I am very hungry already.
Me too. Our family will be here in a few minutes. Did you finish the side dishes?
Yes, I made creamy mashed potatoes, roasted carrots, and some warm bread rolls.
That sounds wonderful. I also made a special cranberry sauce and a chocolate cake for dessert.
Perfect. Everyone loves your chocolate cake. Should we put the drinks on the table now?
Good idea. We have apple juice, sparkling water, and some hot cider.
I will pour the juice. Do we have enough chairs for everyone at the table?
Yes, I brought 2 extra chairs from the kitchen. We have 8 seats in total.
Great. I love having the whole family together. It feels so warm and happy.
I agree. Christmas dinner is the best part of the holidays. Oh, I hear the doorbell.
They are here. Let's welcome them. I will help your grandmother with her coat.
And I will start bringing the warm plates to the table.
Everything is ready. Let's have a wonderful meal together.
Merry Christmas to our family.
Merry Christmas. Let's eat.
Listen, James. I can hear Christmas music playing outside. It makes me want to sing.
Me too, Elena. I love holiday songs. They are so happy and easy to remember.
Let's sing together. Do you know the lyrics to Jingle Bells?
Of course. Everyone knows that one. It is a classic.
Great. I will start the music on my phone. Are you ready?
Ready. 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
You have a great singing voice, James. Your pronunciation is very clear.
Thank you. Singing helps me practice my English. The rhythm makes the words easier to say.
That is true. It is a fun way to learn new vocabulary. Let's try a slower song now.
How about Silent Night? It is very calm and beautiful.
That is a perfect choice. Let's look up the lyrics on the screen so we don't forget the words.
Good idea. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright.
That was lovely. I feel so peaceful now. Music really brings people together during the holidays.
It really does. Should we go to the town square and join the carolers?
Yes, let's put on our coats and go sing with everyone.
Let's go. Merry Christmas, Elena.
Merry Christmas, James. Look at all these wooden stalls, James. The Christmas market is so crowded and festive.
It smells amazing here. I can smell cinnamon, roasted nuts, and fresh pine trees.
Me too. Everything is so colorful. Let's walk down this row first. There are so many handmade gifts.
Look at these hand-painted ornaments. They are beautiful. I want to buy one for my mom.
That is a great idea. Excuse me, how much is the red ornament with the snowflake?
That one is $12, or you can get 3 for $30. I will take 3, please. One for my mom, One for my sister and one for me.
Good choice. Now I am getting a little cold. Should we find something warm to drink?
Yes, I see a stand over there selling hot chocolate and apple cider.
Let's go. I'll have a large hot chocolate with extra marshmallows, please.
And I will have a hot apple cider. How much is that? That will be $8 in total. Here are your warm drinks.
Thank you. This is so delicious. The market is the perfect place to enjoy the holiday spirit.
I agree. It is much more fun than shopping at the mall.
Let's finish our drinks and look at the gingerbread houses next.
Lead the way, Elena.
James, wake up. Look out the window. It is snowing.
Wow, you are right, Elena. Everything is white and beautiful.
It is a perfect snowy Christmas morning. It looks like a winter wonderland outside.
Look at the trees. They are covered in thick white snow. It looks like powdered sugar.
Let's go downstairs. I want to see if Santa came last night.
Wait, look at the footprints in the snow on the driveway. Do you think they are reindeer tracks?
Maybe, or maybe it was just a neighbor. But let's imagine they are from Rudolph.
I hope the snow is deep enough to build a snowman later today.
I think it is. We can use my old scarf and a carrot for his nose.
That sounds like a great plan. But first, let's open our stockings by the fireplace.
Look, the fire is still warm and the tree is glowing. I feel so happy and cozy.
Me too. Christmas is much better when there is snow on the ground.
I agree. It feels like a real holiday. Merry Christmas, James.
Merry Christmas, Elena. Now, let's see what is inside these boxes.
Welcome to the party, James. I am so glad you could come.
Thank you for inviting me, Elena. Wow, your house looks amazing. I love the red and green decorations.
Thank you. I spent all morning putting up the streamers and the holiday banners.
It was worth it. It feels very festive. Is everyone else here yet?
Almost. Most of our friends are in the kitchen. We are about to start the Secret Santa gift exchange.
Oh, I have my gift right here. It is wrapped in shiny gold paper.
Perfect. You can put it under the small tree on the table. Would you like a drink first?
Yes, please. Do you have any of that delicious holiday punch?
I do. It is in the large bowl over there. We also have some Christmas cookies and small sandwiches.
The cookies look like little stars and bells. They are so cute.
Help yourself. After we eat, we are going to play some holiday games and listen to music.
That sounds like so much fun. I love spending time with friends during the holidays.
Me too. It is the best way to celebrate. Let's go join the others.
Lead the way. Merry Christmas, Elena.
Merry Christmas, James. I have something special for you.
Merry Christmas, Elena. Oh, you shouldn't have. But I have a gift for you too.
Should we open them now? I am so excited to see what is inside.
Yes, let's do it. You go first. Here is your present.
Thank you. The wrapping paper is so pretty. I almost don't want to tear it.
Go ahead. I hope you like the color.
Oh, wow! It is a beautiful blue scarf. It feels so soft and warm.
I remembered you said you liked blue. Does it fit okay?
It is perfect, James. Thank you so much. It will be great for the cold weather. Now it is your turn.
I wonder what this could be. It feels a bit heavy.
Open it and find out.
No way! A new coffee mug with my favorite character on it? This is amazing.
I saw it last week and thought of you. I know how much you love your morning coffee.
This is the best gift ever. I will use it every single day. Thank you, Elena.
You are very welcome. I am so happy you like it.
Giving gifts is the best part of Christmas. It makes me feel so happy.
I agree. It's about showing people that we care.
Exactly. Merry Christmas again, Elena.